Nailed it. Hey, what's up guys? Eric Perkins here. I'm back again to show you more tricks with speed squares. So I've been traveling the world the last 3 months to find out everything this thing will do. Well, not really. I actually just read all the comments that you guys left on my channel, which was like 15,000 on this one video, and I picked the best ones, so here we go. You can draw a circle with it. Nailed it. Okay, bottle opener. It worked. Okay, that wasn't super easy, but it did work, and there we go. I just noticed that actually says twist off, so I don't know. What you doing there, bub?
Trying that trick I saw on the YouTube channel, but it don't work.
You really want to open a bottle and you're married, which means you probably do want to open a bottle. Here's a real trick right here. Ring. Boom. Sundial function. Let's see if it works. 11:27. Oh, it's right on the money. Look at that.
Perfect. Lunchtime. 11:27.
Set. Draw. And here's another one, and I think this was sent in by a legit carpenter. This is a mud scraper and an ice scraper. Let's check it out. Okay, this is definitely the loudest tool on a job, believe it or not. If you need to get someone's attention, just drop it on some concrete. And right here is the proper finger grip for the Ninja Star.
This will hold your plans down. All day.
A rock, a string, and this thing, and you can build anything.
A rock, a string, a plug stick, and a nail gun.
String delivery system.
Floss water.
Okay, if you have 2 speed squares, you can use the lip to space deck boards the proper amount. Let's check that out. Booyah! Okay, why is this called a speed square and not a speed triangle? Well, if you hold 2 together, it does make a square. No, and actually it's just because you use it to square the ends of boards. That's why it's called a speed square. Here's one using the lip to flush boards.
Hey, flush the boards!
You can use 2 squares to gap your siding a 7-inch reveal. Let's pretend that these pieces of OSB are siding up on your house. And we can push this piece up and give ourselves a 7-inch reveal right here. No problem. Hey, I got 3 speed squares. I got everybody's speed square. The lips, the teeth, the tip of the tongue. All right, guys, thanks for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.
Subscribe.
Here's a good one. Can I use my speed square as a level? Well, I figured out that I can actually pivot it on the 2-inch increment here, and I can actually visually sight across this thing to some of the framing, and it's level, and this side is plumb. So this is partially proven true. I tried it with some other squares and it did not work, but based on the weight of this square, if you put the pencil right here and you hold it up, it actually is a level surface and a plumb surface. You could use that for visually sighting. I wouldn't build a whole house like this. That'd be a bad idea. But if you just want to visually sight some property or check if a beam is running generally level and sight across that bad boy, this could actually work. Here's an interesting comment that I got. When you use your speed square to do roof pitches, 45 degrees is a 12-12 pitch, but a 6-12 pitch is not 22.5 degrees. It's actually like 27.5 degrees. I'm gonna check that out and see if I can figure out why that is.
12-12 is a 45 because it's the same rise and run, but you have a
a 612, the trigonometry on that triangle works out to a 27. It doesn't split the 45.5.
So the simple math of this is that you're doing trigonometry with these numbers. You're not actually just dividing the degrees each time you do it.